Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create artistic text animation in Elementor. This is a fantastic way to add visual interest to your WordPress pages and make your headings really stand out with smooth, professional-looking animations that capture your visitors' attention. First things first, you'll need to log in to your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to Pages and click on All Pages. Here, you'll see a list of all the pages on your website. Scroll down and look for the specific page you want to edit. When you find it, click Edit with Elementor. This will launch the Elementor Page Builder interface, giving you full control over your page design. Now that you're inside the Elementor editor, look over to the left panel where all the widgets are located. In the search bar at the top of this panel, type Heading, and you'll see the Heading widget appear. Go ahead and drag this widget directly onto your canvas where you want your animated text to appear. Once the Heading widget is on the canvas, click on it to open up its settings. You'll see the Content tab is already selected. Here in the title field, type your artistic text. For example, you could type something like creative design or whatever message you want to display. This is the text that will be animated. Next, let's customize how your text looks. Go to the Style tab at the top, then click on Typography. This is where you can really make your text artistic. Look for the Family option and click on it. A submenu will open with a list of available fonts. Browse through and select a font that matches your creative vision. You can adjust the size as well, making it larger or smaller depending on your preferences and how prominent you want this text to be on your page. While you're still in the Style tab, you can also change the text color to make it more visually striking. Look for the text color option and click on it. A color picker will appear, allowing you to choose any color that fits your design scheme. Now comes the exciting part, adding the animation effect. Click on the Advanced tab at the top of the Settings panel. From here, navigate to Motion Effects. You'll see an option called Entrance Animation with a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down and select Slide in Up. This creates a smooth upward sliding animation when the text appears. If you prefer something more subtle, you can choose Fade in Up instead. Finally, you'll want to control how fast or slow your animation plays. Right below the animation selection, you'll find animation duration with its own drop-down menu. Click on it and select either fast for a quick, snappy animation or slow for a more dramatic, drawn-out effect. This gives you complete control over the timing and feel of your artistic text animation, and that's it. You've successfully created an artistic text animation in Elementor that will bring your page to life with dynamic, eye-catching motion. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.